Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to open a trade account on XM Trading. And it's quite simple. You just need to log in with your Google account, and then after that you will see this desk right here. Now we want to add a account, so let's say open account. So what we need to do is click here on the demo, and then right now you can click here on real or on demo. So with that you can create an account. Now we want to create a real account, so then you click here on the plus and then you click here on real account. Then you can decide which account you want to create with all the options, and then after that you can create an open account with that. But there's one thing that you need to do, and that is you need to verify your profile. And I just did that, but it cost a few hours to check our files. So keep in mind, this is how it works when you verified your profile. Please do that first, and then after that it will work. So this is exactly how you open an account in XM Trading. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.